Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make this beautiful and easy clay wall hanging. So let's start it. I'll use this homemade air dry clay here. I have already shared the recipe in my channel. You will find the tutorial link in description box. First, draw the design lines on the clay and then cut it in the shape of it. Use water in the edges to give it a finishing looks. I will make one nest, 2 birds and 1 heart. Try not to skip the videos, otherwise you can miss any important parts. Now attach the clay with glue. Remember one thing, you have to design the clay first, otherwise you can't change the design after drying. Make small holes with back of the brushes to insert the threads later. Using this cap to make the door in the nest. It will look so cute. I am making some flower petals now. I will make some leaves also to design the nest. This homemade air dry clay is really easy to work and easy to make also. I have made almost all of my work with this clay. It is really helpful. Now attach these petals and leaves with glue over the design. If you have any query and feedback regarding my videos, you can always tell me in comment section, and if you want to see more amazing tutorial like this, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload my new videos. Now let's make the birds with clay. The birds are ready. Let's make the heart. These clay designs are almost ready. Now let them dry at least for 6 to 8 hours. As this is air dry clay, and if you are making this in monsoon season, it will take 24 hours, mean 1 day for drying. So all these clay designs are dry now. Let's paint with acrylic colors. I will paint these designs with white color first, then we'll apply the other colors. You can always use other color combination as you want. You can always be more creative. The nest is almost ready. Let's paint the birds and heart. All these clay designs are ready with bright colors. Now let them dry at least for 2 hours. After drying, I am using varnish over them. This is optional, but with it, They will look little more glossy and their paint will last little longer. Let's cut the threads. I am using glue to hardening the thread so that it can pass the holes easily. If you think I am going too fast, you can set up the playback speed in video settings. And this beautiful clay wall hanging is ready. Now you can use this artwork to decor your home and your garden, or you can give them to your close one also. So if you like this tutorial, do subscribe my channel to see more amazing videos. Stay connected with me. Thanks for watching.